how it's supposed to feel.
Hello, darlings. So the time is currently 12 midnight on Monday, the 13th of June, and I got my backpack guys there with these suitcases because we are about to head to Mexico, and of course I am bringing you guys along as usual every day, everything we do. So we're about to leave the house, we are heading to the airport, and I will check in with you all soon. Bye. Having a cheese Danish at the new airport Starbucks while we wait. Alright guys, so it's time to get the shenanigans started. We are at the airport and we just got our boarding passes and so on. Hungry, so having a cheese Danish. Guys having a party from Ritual. Sitting by the new Starbucks in the airport. We're gonna go inside in a few and just chill until about 3:45. That's the time of our flight. So just doing a little outfit check. Looking cute up my left arm. T-shirts, chucks, jeans, baseball hat because we have a lot of stuff to do in Mexico. Alright, so it's currently 3:25 a.m. and our flight is delayed until God knows when. So we're trying to find out what's happening, and I will keep you guys updated with what's going on. Hi. So the time is, what is the time? The time is 4:54 a.m. and we are still in Pialco International Airport. Our flight was cancelled. Our flight with COPA Airlines was cancelled. We were first told that the crew is tired and have decided not to fly. We were then told that there was a mechanical issue with the plane and they rescheduled the flights to 12:30. We are here. In all this time since the last update is because we were essentially battling it out with these poor airline representatives. I use poor loosely because they have no accommodation for us, they have no transport to take us home, and there is nothing that can be done. Essentially, we are all sitting in the airport just waiting. I did not sleep. I am exhausted. And we have to wait here until 9 a.m. when check-in begins again. And until 12:30 when our flights leave. We have a connecting flight in Panama to Cancun. Who knows what's going to happen there? All we've been told is the flights will be rescheduled, so we will be put on another flight. What time is that flight? Nobody knows. What time are we reaching to Cancun? Nobody knows. It's all up in the air. And we have to accept this apparently. Do ever believe that I didn't try? Arel tried. There are no managers from COPA here. They don't seem to have any managers from anybody anyway, right? So it's just the ticketing agents at the front that we had to speak with, and that's as far as we've gotten. The process is to go on the website and apply for your refund and essentially wait. I believe the ticketing agent said it's a month. After a month you will get your refund. But yeah, that's what fresh hell is this? Only I'm hanging on by a thread. Guys, so the time is 1:14 and we are finally off. Finally.
From your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no.
Hi guys, so local time is 4:19 and we have arrived in Panama. Sorry, 3:19 and we have arrived in Panama for our indefinite long ass layover. We do not know what is about to happen. We were told to just wait until we see the flight and that will give us information. That's all the information that we have. So yeah, for that. The airport is beautiful. Of course, we've been here before, but I don't believe we've been able to explore in this way. So we're definitely going to do that, and we have the time to do that today.
We have like 6 hours all the time.
6 hours, man. So we're gonna explore and find all the great things in the airport. We ain't shopping because we don't have money for that. Our money was for other things, but we will explore it. That's for sure. We are very hungry, so we're gonna go to the food court and get some food, and then we'll explore it. Let's go.
And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try to play my part.
Hey guys, the time is 8:32 p.m. and we are now about to board. So tired. Hey guys, I know it's dark, but it's 2:22 local time, and we are almost at the hotel, right? So I will give you all a full rundown of this tomorrow because we're really tired, but we just got stopped by police. And when I tell you guys, this has just been the longest, most disgusting day.
There's no, we broke the 24-hour.
We have broken the 24-hour record. Like,
A week.
to travel right there. Anyway, we're just trying to get to our hotel in peace. I will give you all the full rundown tomorrow.
Okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it.
What's up, you?